Top 5 Best Baking Tray 2025. Number 5. Bake smarter with these silicone nonstick rectangle cake and loaf pans, the perfect solution for mess-free baking. Made from premium food-grade silicone, these molds offer easy release for bread, cakes, toast, and pastries without sticking or crumbling. Heat-resistant, oven-safe, and dishwasher-friendly, they're ideal for everyday baking. Their flexible yet sturdy design ensures even baking, while the nonstick surface means no greasing needed. Number 4. Cook and bake with confidence using this carbon steel nonstick roasting pan, ideal for bread, cake, toast, and savory dishes. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, it delivers even heat distribution for perfect browning and baking. The nonstick coating ensures easy food release and hassle-free cleanup. Its rectangular shape is great for both desserts and roasts, making it a versatile choice for every kitchen. Number 3. Elegance to your kitchen with the Keepsake Floral 7 inches x 10 inches ceramic baking dish with lid. Perfect for casseroles, baked pasta, roasted veggies, and desserts, this beautifully crafted dish combines style and function. The durable ceramic construction ensures even heat distribution, while the snug-fitting lid keeps food warm and moist. Its floral design adds a charming touch to your dining table or kitchen display. Number 2. Bake perfect baguettes every time with this large silicone non-stick baguette bake tray. Made from high-grade, food-safe silicone, this flexible mold ensures even heat distribution and easy release without sticking. Ideal for professional kitchens and home bakers alike, it's oven-safe, reusable, and easy to clean. The perforated design promotes crisp, golden crusts while keeping the inside soft and airy. Number 1. LFGB Certified 304 Stainless Steel Baking Tray and Steaming Plate, perfect for baking, roasting, or steaming seafood, vegetables, and meats. Crafted from pure, food-grade stainless steel, it ensures durability, never deforms under high heat, and resists rust and stains. Its rectangular shape fits most ovens and steamers, while smooth edges and a polished finish make it safe